Get ready for the future of electric vehicles. We're diving into battery price drops, making EVs more affordable in Europe. Next up, we've got Tesla semi-trucks hitting the road with Uber Freight. Then, get ready for a massive EV lineup record attempt in Washington. And finally, your chance to test drive the latest EVs at Snow Mountain Ranch. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. The EV revolution is accelerating, and the biggest driver might be something we haven't talked about enough: falling battery prices. For years, we faced a choice: a long-range EV or an affordable one. But thanks to relentless price drops, that compromise is disappearing. Just since 2022, EV battery prices have plummeted by 27% in the EU, with projections showing another 28% drop in the next 2 years and a massive 46% decrease over 5 years. This isn't just a statistic. It's the engine behind a surge in truly affordable electric cars hitting the market. We've gone from just 2 new affordable EV models between 2020 and 2024 in the EU to 6 this year, with over a dozen more expected by 2027. The mass market is finally getting the electric options it deserves, and the growth trajectory is astounding. But what does this mean for your wallet and your next car? Keep watching as we break down the real impact of these price drops. And speaking of making electric vehicles more accessible, we'll reveal how Tesla is teaming up with a major player to get those powerful semi-trucks on the road. Get ready for a game-changer in the trucking industry. Tesla is partnering with Uber Freight to launch a dedicated EV fleet accelerator program, aiming to slash the biggest hurdle for electric Class 8 trucks: the hefty upfront cost. This isn't just about selling trucks. It's a comprehensive package that pairs purchase subsidies for the much-anticipated Tesla Semi with prearranged freight routes, all designed to leverage Tesla's growing semi-charger network. This strategic move is spearheaded by Rebecca Tanucci, who returns to work with Tesla after previously leading their charging division. While the exact subsidy amounts and the final price of the Tesla Semi remain under wraps, especially after early customers reported significant price hikes, Uber Freight will help potential buyers analyze the total cost of ownership. With volume production of the Tesla Semi slated for 2026 and the expansion of megacharger stations, this partnership could dramatically accelerate the adoption of electric trucks, making the economics of hauling goods significantly greener and potentially cheaper in the long run. This massive investment in electric trucking is reshaping logistics as we know it. But the electric wave isn't just for big rigs. Next, we're heading to Washington for an event that's bringing EV enthusiasts together in a big way. Get ready to witness history in the making. Plug-in NCW and Wenatchee Cars and Coffee are joining forces to shatter the record for the largest electric vehicle lineup. This isn't just a car show. It's a community celebration of Drive Electric Month, aiming to bring together an unprecedented number of EVs in one place on Sunday, October 5th, at the Pybus Public Market in Wenatchee. The current record stands at 28 EVs, but organizers are calling on all EV owners to help them surpass this number and make a bold statement about the growing electric movement. It's a fantastic opportunity to showcase the diversity and passion within the EV community while supporting the transition to cleaner transportation. This grassroots effort shows the passion driving EV adoption forward. Now, if you're in Colorado and eager to experience the electric future firsthand, we've got an event you won't want to miss. Ever wondered what it's like to drive an electric vehicle? Snow Mountain Ranch YMCA in Colorado is rolling out the red carpet with an exciting EV 101 workshop and ride and drive event on Saturday, September 20th. Organized by Mountain Parks Electric, the town of Winter Park, and Drive Clean Colorado, this event offers a unique chance to get behind the wheel of impressive EVs like the Tesla Model 3, Ford F-150 Lightning, and Ford Mustang Mach-E. Beyond the thrilling test drives, you'll get crucial insights into the latest EV models available in Colorado, updated incentives and rebates, and the ins and outs of charging infrastructure. It's the perfect opportunity for anyone curious about making the switch to electric, offering hands-on experience and expert advice all in one scenic location. This is your chance to go from curious observer to electric driver. And that's a wrap on today's electrifying news. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and join the ElectroDrive News community. Battery prices are plummeting, making EVs more accessible than ever across Europe. Tesla and Uber Freight are teaming up to put electric semi-trucks on the road with special discounts. An epic EV lineup record attempt is happening in Wenatchee, Washington, celebrating the growing electric community. And you can test drive the latest electric vehicles at Snow Mountain Ranch in Colorado. Don't miss out on the future of driving. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, leave a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all social platforms for more electrifying news.